Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Juke, stock number 6721. This ran from 12/2014 to 12/2019. Here's an email 16DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the email 16DT 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 17-inch factory only mega tyre, front bonnet no dents, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory only mega tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory only mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory only mega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,